Hi, welcome to Cooking from Scratch. Today we're going to be making quiche. So to start, I've got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan. I'm cooking this over medium heat. And I've added sliced bell pepper as well as sliced mushrooms. And I'm just going to cook this until they're sauteed. I'm also going to add 2 cups of fresh spinach and saute this down with our peppers and mushrooms. Once our vegetables are cooked, I'm going to set these aside. And then I'm going to cook about a half a pound of ground turkey. You can also use sausage or beef if you prefer. And I'm going to cook this until it's no longer pink. And then I'm going to set this aside for a few minutes to let it cool while I start making the quiche base. So to do this, I need 8 eggs. I'm going to whisk these together to break up the egg yolks. And then I'm going to also add 2 cups of whole milk, as well as a half a cup of parmesan cheese. Next, I'm going to place the meat and vegetables into 2 pre-made pie crusts, and then you're going to gently pour half of the egg mixture onto each crust. And then we're going to top each quiche with about a quarter cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Next, you want to gently wrap the edges of each pie crust in foil. This will help the edges from browning too much during the baking process. And then placing each quiche on a baking sheet, we're going to bake it for 40 minutes at 400 degrees. And after about 30 minutes, you can remove the foil from the edges of the quiche. And then to check for doneness, you can poke the center of the quiche with a knife. And if it comes out clean, you're good to go. And here's the finished product, quiche. Since this recipe makes 2 quiche, you can freeze the second quiche. And then when you're ready to bake it, take it directly from the freezer and put it frozen into the 400 degree oven, but instead of baking it for 40 minutes, bake it for about an hour. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.